Australia's Nikki Van Dijk is the latest addition to surfing's ASP World Championship Tour.
I love being free and it's such a relaxing thing, and I really couldn't imagine my life without surfing, and I just love being in the sun, and it's such a healthy kind of lifestyle.
After disqualification from the penultimate event of the 2013 World Qualifying Series, Nikki arrived at the final event of the year knowing that nothing less than a first ever 6-star triumph would secure her a place on surfing's biggest stage of all. The 18-year-old duly obliged.
When you're competing against best female surfers in the world, you're putting everything into every single heat you're surfing, and for me to come out and win that, it was huge for me. And at the end, when the siren goes and it's just and they say Nikki won, I don't know, it's just, you just smile. Yeah, it's so great. It's the best feeling in the world.
After delivering a committed and diverse performance at the Pantene Classic Galicia Pro event in Spain, Nikki emerged as the competition's outstanding surfer. Her victory means that she's now joined the likes of Steph Gilmore and Carissa Moore as one of the 17 elite women in world surfing. Now aged 19, Nikki has come a long way from when she first stepped on a surfboard 15 years ago. Transworld Sport was keen to find out more about her.
I think you need a lot of a lot of things. You need your balance and everything. You need to be strong. You need to be kind of free and cruisy. And with girls, I think it's really important to be graceful. Yeah, guys and girls surfing is really different, but I think it's cool how we can kind of show who we are on a wave and be who we are on a wave.
Hailing from Phillip Island, about 80 kilometres southeast of Melbourne, Nikki rarely finds herself far from water. However, we caught up with her as she and best friend Emmy Horvath ventured onto the mainland for some retail therapy on Melbourne's busy streets. Classmates at school, where they were taught by Nikki's mum, the duo know each other inside out.
So fun, she's so goofy, and I think our personalities just go so well together. Pretty much never a dull moment, so always finding us in funny situations, and yeah, lots of fun. It's never a dull moment. 3 words, probably energetic, really kind, and just hilarious.
Nikki is no stranger to the spotlight. Along with 2 other Phillip Island surfer girls, India Payne and Jess Lang, she starred in the surfing film First Love when she was 14. The documentary depicted what it's like for a teenager to chase their dream on an island of fewer than 10,000 people. According to Emmy, certain qualities made it clear to everyone at school that Nikki was destined to surf and to succeed.
So many things. I think just her determination, and she just has the best attitude to life and the way she goes with her surfing, and I think it's something that really comes out really strong in her results, and it's why she does so well, and yeah, I wish the best for her.
Nikki's talent has long been recognised by those in the know. Her decision to join the World Junior Tour while still at school put pressure on her at a young age. But Nikki was able to compete and maintain her education thanks to a strong support network. For the past 10 years, Brooke Farris has been her manager at Rip Curl.
She loves having fun, she's committed, she's focused, and she wants to be world champion. Nikki's the kind of girl, when she's out surfing, everyone says, "Who's that?" if they don't already know who she is. She surfs with a lot of speed, a lot of flow, and she's like so light on her feet, and then all of a sudden it'll be like, ha, big power turn, and that's what makes you go, whoa, and get your attention.
Nikki Van Dijk taking off. She's got a nice looking wave
In
there.
2012,
Drives off
Nikki
the
Van
bottom
Dijk
there.
made
It's a nice big
headlines when
opening
she
turn.
won
Let's
the
see if she can't
ASP
take this one
World
right through
Junior
the inside.
Championship
Another
in
big
Bali.
hit. This is the best wave of the final so far. And
It remains a moment that she cherishes.
this time there on that last
It is the biggest event in the world for juniors, and in Bali it was amazing to surf the incredible waves there as well, and I was just feeling so good, and yeah, it was like a dream to win that event. And as a junior, it's kind of like one of those things to tick off, you know. It's really like to have a world title is like incredible, and you're never gonna, you know, it's not every day when you're gonna win a world title. So yeah, I've still got that kind of cup hanging at home.
Nikki is competitive, and I think it's great getting behind someone who's like that, because you know that every time they paddle out, they want it and they want the win. But at the same time, when she hits the sand, she's all about having fun, signing autographs for the kids, and she's a real role model and someone you want to get behind, because she's kind of a girl next door.
Winner of the 2014 Rising Star Award at the Australian Surfing Awards, Nikki has made a strong start to her debut season on the ASP Women's World Championship Tour. She reached the quarter-finals of the Australian Open of Surfing at Manly Beach, and as the first woman from Victoria to qualify for the tour, she has no intention of letting go of her place anytime soon.
I love it. I cannot even think of a better lifestyle and life I would live. Surfing is like made and created such this amazing journey for me. So I don't know, I just love it so much. So have so much fun all the time. You just got to be like happy and fun and love life.
My hopes for Nikki in 2014 are that she enjoys the experience. I don't want her to go into the year with so much pressure on herself and thinking that she has to win every event. I want her to focus on winning heat by heat and progressing herself and learning, because as much as you think you're ready for the world tour, it's a new world, it's a new game, and you really need to be patient with yourself while you work out the steps you need to take to be ASP World Champion one day.
Her management may be encouraging her to keep her feet firmly on the board, but with a talent like Nikki Van Dijk's, the sky is the limit.
Yeah, I definitely want to become world champion on the world tour. I know it's everyone's goal, but that's my life, like, ambition for sure.